what we can do also with Jeff is to answer automatically emails. Behind the scenes, Jeff is written in Python, and this code is running on a container hosted on a NAS server. So that's a container which is running permanently. I specified a cron job which allows you to query my personal mailbox and send all the queries to Jeff. Every 5 minutes, my mailbox is screened. If I have a message coming from the website, this email is sent to Jeff, and Jeff automatically answers my email. Let me have a look. I go to my website, I go to contact, and I will ask a question. Suppose I'm Tom, okay. Company test, email, christoph@beoptimized.be. And my question, hi Christoph, what's the meaning of the catx function in SAS? I'm not a robot. Send. Message was sent, super. Now I can open my mailbox. Where is my mailbox? It's here. I have to check if I received already my email. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe I have to wait a couple of seconds. Sometimes. Okay, maybe I have to wait a couple of seconds. But before I wait, let me show you behind. So basically AI emails, that's the Python code allowing you to screen my mailbox. So I have here my different packages, I have my different passwords, and I'm using IMAP server to query my mailbox. My mailbox is on the cloud. So here I ask, give me a screen for the maximum of 10 days, screen all my messages. Here then I select only the messages coming from the website. I'm using Beautiful Soap in order to parse the email and to extract the address email, the body of the email, and the subject. And then, depending on that, I'm creating the email with the answer coming from ChatGPT or Mistral. It depends on the model I choose here. And then automatically the email is sent. So let's have a look now. Okay, super. So I receive my question. So my question is, hi Christophe, what's the meaning of catx function in SAS? And Jeff asked me, okay, it was a good idea to reach beoptimized, and the answer catx function in SAS is used to concatenate character strings with a specified delimiter between them. That's absolutely correct. So that's very interesting, because I don't have to answer my email anymore. Okay, I receive the email, so now I can also answer to the customer if necessary. Okay, so it was just a small demonstration to show you that.